How much 1.5 molar NaOH is necessary to exactly neutralize 20 milliliters of 2.5 molar H3PO4? So this is a little different now because we have a 3 moles of base to 1 mole of acid now because we have a triprotic acid here. So if I say 3 moles of base to 1 mole of acid, moles of base would be concentration times volume, and moles of acid would be concentration times volume. And so what we get here is 3 MAVA equals MBVB. Okay, and so we are looking for how much of the base, the volume of the base. Volume of the base is 3 times the concentration of the acid, 2.5, times the volume of the acid, 20 milliliters, over the concentration of the base, 1.5 molar. And I did that in my calculator, and I got 100 milliliters, which is answer choice D.